Hello, hi there. This is Random News, and today's topic is Delayed of Trains by Shrikant Koperkar. Regular commuters on Central Railway's air-conditioned AC locals are losing patience over daily delays, overcrowding, and lack of ticket checking. Frustrated passengers, many of whom have formed WhatsApp groups to share grievances, say they pay premium fares but get the same chaos as regular trains. Despite paying for monthly, quarterly, or half-yearly passes, passengers claim they are often forced to stand during peak hours. Many allege that unauthorized railway staff and ticketless travelers occupy seats, while ticket checkers and RPF patrols are rarely seen. We pay but still stand. Last week, regular AC commuters, including Mukesh Makhicha and Seema Parab, met Senior Divisional Commercial Manager DCM Prakash Kanodia after the Divisional Railway Manager DRM was unavailable. They submitted a written complaint highlighting overcrowding, frequent delays, and lack of enforcement and demanded stricter monitoring and more AC services. While the meeting was not photographed, discussions were detailed and recorded. DCM Kanodia assured them that the proposal for additional AC trains would be reviewed during the next timetable revision, but final approval lies with the Railway Board. Unhappy with the recurring neglect, commuters now plan to form a registered passengers association to escalate their demands to the Railway Minister and senior Railway Board officials. Delays add to the heat. Frequent cancellations and delays to AC local have compounded commuter woes. When services are cancelled, AC ticket holders are forced into overcrowded regular fast or slow trains. Commuters also question the underuse of the 5th and 6th line between Lokmanya Tilak Terminus (LTT) and Kalyan. Only about 10% of long-distance trains use the new lines. The rest run on the older fast corridors, causing delays of up to 40 minutes. One commuter said commuters offer solutions. Passengers suggested deploying dedicated ticket checkers and RPF personnel exclusively for AC locals, 3 of each per train, covering all compartments in shifts from 7 am to 11 pm. Regular checks, they argue, would deter freeloaders and improve safety. Currently, Central Railway operates AC local between CSMT and Thane, Dombivali, Kalyan, Titwala, Ambernath, and Badlapur. Commuters say they pay for comfort and punctuality but get neither. Trouble on auto routes. Delays also plague Kalyan Kasara and Kalyan Karjat Khopoli routes due to congestion, engine failures, and priority given to the long distance and freight trains. The impact is worse for low income commuters from distant suburbs and tribal belts who risk pay cuts or disciplinary action for arriving late. Panvel Karjat promise or problem. Railway authorities have promoted the new Panvel Karjat Harbour line as a faster route, saving up to 30 minutes, but commuters warn the relief may be short-lived. Even after doubling goods and passengers trains with shared tracks will face the same bottlenecks seen on the other corridors, said a commuter from Ambernath. They also flagged the rapid rise of residential projects along the new line, which could add thousands more daily travelers. New routes are being opened without planning. Instead of easing pressure, the load is just shifting, one commuter added. Commuters demand action whether it's AC locals or regular trains. Central Railway commuters say they have had enough. They are demanding dedicated ticket checking, stronger RPF presence, and better infrastructure use. AC travel should mean comfort and punctuality, not paying extra for the same old problems, said Seema Parab. Official speaks Dr. Sapnil Neelab, Chief Public Relations Officer of Central Railway, said that the letter from AC commuters to the DCM had not yet reached this office. Once he receives it, we will look into this matter, he added.